Subscribe to Get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
The summers are in, and imagine having something cooling in the form of a chaat. Isn't that amazing? So let's make the Dahi Bhalla. Here I've soaked 1 cup of urad dal for about 6 hours. I've drained out the water. To this I'm going to add 2 green chilies and ½ inch ginger, and I'm going to grind this to a nice fine paste. To this, let's add very little water, maybe ½ a cup, and make a nice batter out of it. Our batter is ready. Let's remove it in a bowl. To this, I'm going to add 3/4 teaspoon of salt and mix it well. I've already kept some oil in a kadai to be heated. The oil is nice and hot. I'm just going to dip my hands, the tip of my fingers rather, in water, and I'm going to make small balls of the batter and just put them into the oil. So once you've added the batter into the oil, keep the flame on a high for a minute and then reduce it to a medium so that the vadas get cooked from inside as well. Now let's reduce the flame and see that they get cooked from inside as well. Here I've made a liter of buttermilk using almost 2 to 3 tablespoons of curd, and I've flavored it with cumin seed and salt. So once the vadas are fried, we're going to immediately soak these vadas into the buttermilk. One batch of vadas are done. Let's remove them from the oil and just soak them into the buttermilk. And in a similar manner, let's make the vadas with the remaining batter. Let's soak these also into the buttermilk. So while the vadas are getting soaked, let's make a sweet and a spicy chutney. So for the sweet chutney, I've got ½ a cup of seedless dates. I've got ½ a cup of tamarind and ½ a cup of jaggery. To this I'm going to add 2 cups of water. To this I'm going to add ½ a teaspoon of dry ginger powder, a teaspoon of chili powder and a teaspoon of roasted cumin seed powder and some salt. I'm going to cook this till the dates are nice and soft and the jaggery is melted. So while the ingredients for the sweet chutney are boiling, let's make the green chutney. For that I'm going to take 1 cup of fresh coriander, 2 green chilies, 1 clove of garlic, ¼ cup of mint leaves and juice of ½ a lemon. And now let's grind this to a fine paste. Let's add little water to this. And our green chutney is ready. Let's remove it in a bowl. Just add little salt to this. And let's keep this aside. The dates have got soft and the jaggery has melted. So let's shut the flame and wait for this to cool down, and then we grind this to a nice thick chutney. Our sweet chutney is ready as well. I have 3 cups of dahi over here, yogurt, to which I'm going to add ½ a cup of sugar and some salt. and beat this really well. If it's too thick, you can add half a cup of water to this. And the yogurt is ready as well. Now let's plate this dish. Here I have a serving bowl, and the vadas which we had soaked in the buttermilk, I'm just going to remove them simply and squeeze them slightly and place them in a serving dish. Now on this, let's pour the dahi. And now let's garnish it with some roasted cumin seed powder, some chili powder, some chaat masala, the sweet chutney, the green chutney, and little coriander. And the Dahi Bhalla is ready to be served. Do try this recipe on a hot summer day and enjoy it. For such amazing chaat recipes, keep watching Get Curried.